This is the Second State team coming to you from DevCon 5 in Osaka, Japan. We just finished our demo presentation where we deployed a smart contract to the eWASM testnet, and we did this using our new compiler, which you can find on the Second State GitHub. You can see that there's two phases in the code generation. Phase 1 uses the famous LLVM compiler infrastructure. Of course, originally an acronym for low-level virtual machine, but more of a brand these days, which has seen keen interest from industry. For example, Apple and Sony using LLVM for dev tools for macOS and the Dev SDK for PlayStation 4 and so forth. The second stage of the code compilation is taking that LLVM to eWASM. This is the Solidity smart contract that we're going to be working with today. For a first demonstration, let's compile this into LLVM. So this is a command here that we run, and what we'll see is the LLVM output. And to create a file that we can use down the track, we can go ahead and save the terminal output to a file using a command like this. And once we have that file, we can run a command like this: sol/utils/compile -v, and pass in that file. And if we have a look on the file system here, we'll see that we now have this contract.deploy.wasm file. And if we look at the eWASM testnet explorer under the tools menu, you can see a spot there where we can submit a transaction. So let's go ahead and do that. This is a command that we use to convert the eWASM file to WASM bytecode. And now we take that bytecode and we submit that in on the Ethereum testnet page and click submit. And that'll action MetaMask. And so we go ahead and confirm that, and then we wait just a few seconds. And then once that's gone through, if we go back and look at the most recent activity, we'll refresh this page, we'll see that we have the most recent transaction here. So that's a transaction hash from that address. And if we follow that through, then we can see here that this is the contract bytecode, the contract's eWASM code. And we can also have a look in the storage component here. And so in the original Solidity smart contract, the storage here, we had this max supply, total supply. And also the other thing that we had there was the balance of that particular address. So we can see that here as well in the storage. Okay, so back to this contract now, we can interact with the contract. So we're using the Second State build tool here. So we go ahead and get the address of this account 1. So we'll go and copy that to the clipboard, and we paste that in there, and we call that function. So we get the balance of that there, which is correct. So we're interacting now with the functions of that smart contract, which is now deployed on the eWASM testnet. So the next thing we do is we can choose an address at random, and we'll transfer some funds to that. So we'll make this amount 100, and we click transact, and then that will actually go ahead and transact value from the original address to the new address on the contract that is deployed on the eWASM testnet. Okay, so that wraps up a nice quick demonstration on how to compile Solidity source code to eWASM and deploy that. If you'd like a demonstration live here while at DevCon 5, please get in contact with us. And if you'd just like to get in contact with us in general, please do so via a GitHub or via email. You can find details on the Second State website. It's secondstate.io. Thanks for taking the time to watch this. There'll be more coming soon.